Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to cut felt that are used in the embroidery process, patch making basically. This is the white felt. I am cutting it using CO₂ laser machine. Basically it ejects a laser beam from the tube at the end back of this machine, and the laser beam strikes on that mirror. If you can see, then it strikes on this mirror, then it is redirected in this, and there is a convex lens that converges the beam and strike it on the point where we want to cut it. As you can see the process, a teddy bear face is being cut for embroidery patch making. You can see this is how it works. Basically speed is, I have kept speed 40 mm per second, maximum power is 42 because I am cutting 4 sheets at once, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can see this is CO₂ laser machine. And this is the software, RDWorks. Speed 40, minimum power 37, max power 42. Thank you. If you guys have any queries, you can just ask me in the comments. I'll feel happy to reply you all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.